Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simply HR by Dalia. I am Dalia Chaudhary and today in this video, I will show you a very useful tool in MS Word. This tool helps to produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tags and many more in few easy steps. This tool helps to reduce your time and effort in creating multiple documents which you need to send to or issue to multiple individuals. Yes, you guessed it right. I am talking about mail merge feature in MS Word. Many of you are already using it, but those who are not quite savvy with the same yet, this video is for you. As the name says, this tool helps to merge one single document with multiple information and data. Suppose you are in marketing and you are creating an introductory letter to be sent to thousands prospective clients, or you have a promotional offer to be sent to thousands of customers through email or hard copy. You don't have to create each letter separately. All you need to do is to have a database in Excel where you have stored your customer information and a Word document which is your letter. Suppose you are in HR and preparing increment letters for your 5,000 employees. You can do that easily with the help of this tool. Let's start. To perform mail merge, you will need a Word document. You can create a new one or you can use an existing one. You will also need a recipient list. Typically, it is in an Excel file. I have already created one to show you. So I am just opening that file. From the mailing tab, click on the Start Mail Merge command and select Step-by-Step Mail Merge wizard. There are many other options in the drop-down menu, but I would suggest, since you are a beginner, this step-by-step wizard will be the best option for you. It will guide you through the 6 main steps to complete the merge. From the Mail Merge task pane on the right side of the Word window, you choose the type of document you want to create. In our example, we will select letters. Then click Next, Starting Document to move to step 2. We will select Use the current document as we have already created one for you. Then click on the Next, Select Recipient to move to step 3. Here you have 3 options. You can fetch your contacts from Outlook. As both the products are from Microsoft, they are in sync. If you don't have an existing address list, you can click Type a New List button and then you can create one. But I would suggest you create the list separately in Excel. That will help you speed up the work. You will need an address list, so Word can automatically place each address into the right place. Then browse in your PC to select the file from the location you have saved it. I am just showing it to you. Locate your file and click on Open. If your Excel sheet has multiple worksheets, then please select the one in which you have stored your database. Then click on OK. In the Mail Merge Recipient dialog box, you can check or uncheck each box to control which recipients you want to include in the merge. By default, all recipients will be selected for you. But you can choose your recipients from the list. There is a filter also. You can use that. But now I am going to use the full list. When you are done, click OK and click Next. The next is Write your letter. To move to step 4. We have already written the letter. When it's printed, each copy of the letter will be basically the same. Only the recipient data such as name and address will be changed for each letter. Also, as I had said earlier, if you are in HR and if you are creating increment letters, you will need many information which you will select in each letter. Hope you have followed me till this point. Now guys, this is the most important section of mail merge exercise. Let me show you the database which I was referring to and which I have included into this document. So I'm opening the Excel file which I have already prepared and I have actually merged with this Word document. So as you can see in the database, I have created certain columns and I'm showing you the headings. So what fields I have already captured are employee ID, name, address, designation, and the revised salary components like basic, CTC, monthly and annual basis. So I have created this database and I am inserting all of these fields into my Word document now. You have 2 ways to insert these fields. One is that you can see the right hand side pane. where you have this more items icon. You can click on the more items, then you will get all of these fields. See the headings, they are absolutely same with the headings I have created in my Excel file. Actually, they have taken the fields from that Excel file itself. So I have already shown you employee ID, name, address, designation, the salary components. You can see you can use this feature to merge your document, or you can see this icon, insert merge field. See, I have clicked on this and you can see the field headings. They are same with the Excel file, employee ID, name, address, designation and the salary components. So you can use either from this icon, or you can click this more items from the right hand side window and then insert your data. Now the most important part is, wherever you want to insert data in the Word document, you need to put your cursor at the particular place. Suppose you want to insert name over here. So you have to put your cursor against the name. Then you click on the insert merge field, click on name. So you can see this name field has appeared. I will show you the exact data against the same. But let me first incorporate all the fields I want to insert in this document. So I will insert address against address. I'm inserting this from this drop down. Clicking on the address, address has come. Insert employee ID. Insert designation. So all you have to do is click on the insert merge field and then click on the particular section which you want to insert in your document. I'm inserting data in between lines as well. So I want to insert revised compensation of the employee in this particular section. So I am clicking in between. You can see my cursor is blinking over here. Then I'm clicking on the insert merge field. I'm clicking total CTC per annum, which is the revised CTC I want to place over here. As of now, you can only see the field names. I will show you when I will do the preview my document section. Then you can see the actual data. So I want to put the new designation in this designation field. So I am deleting this one and putting my cursor over here, clicking on the insert merge field and clicking on the designation. So designation will come over here. Similarly, I am inserting all the salary components one by one. So in this section, I want to insert revised basic per month. So revised basic per month. Here I want to put revised basic per annum. I am clicking on revised basic per annum. Similarly for HRA per month and per annum. Similarly for total CTC. So guys, this is just an example. You can insert n number of data in any document. You can keep n number of data in your Excel file and merge in the document. So we are good till this section. Now guys, after you have inserted all the information in your Word document, you will go to the next section, which is this one. Next, preview your letters. Now you can see wherever I have inserted the data fields, now actual data and numbers have come. You can scroll left and right from this section to see the data. I am just clicking on it. You see the data is changing in my Word document. So preview a few just to be ensured that you have incorporated and inserted the data in the right places. Once you have previewed, click next, complete the merge. Here also you will get few options. Click print to print the letters directly. A dialog box will appear. You can decide if you want to print them all, or you want to print the current document or only a select group. In this case, you need to give page numbers here. Adjust the print settings if needed, then click on OK. You can also choose to see them all individually and make changes if you need, or you can save them for future records. In this case, you choose edit individual letters. I like to do this because I want to save all my soft copies for my future references. Anyways, this document will open in a new window which you can save. Done. Hope you find this video useful. For many such useful contents, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Please write in the comment section if you want me to cover any other feature from Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Bye bye. Take care.